Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. If you're looking for a different way to flavor up asparagus and wondering what herbs and spices go well with it, hopefully I've got some information that will benefit you. I have a long list here of herbs and spices that are known to go well with asparagus, and so here is the rundown. We've got basil, bay leaf, capers, chervil, chili paste and chili pepper flakes, chives, cilantro, dill, fennel seeds, garlic, ginger, hoisin sauce, hollandaise sauce, horseradish, mint, miso, Dijon mustard, nutmeg, parsley, pepper, rosemary, sage, salt, sorrel, soy sauce, tarragon, and thyme. Review that list. I've got them below in the description box, and hopefully there will be something there that will interest you and help you to flavor asparagus in just a little different way. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.